So here's the thing.
Yes, ma'am.
You've been on probation, and I'll allow anyone to ask questions.
Sorry, just, I forgot to mention that she did turn herself in.
Yeah.
In the pursuit of truth, we analyze the law. This is Justice Clash 24.
This sovereign citizen admitted she lied before and still expected mercy.
Just for the court's information, we're going open to the floor.
All right. All right. The court is calling 2020-22 CR 5618 State versus Cassandra Luisa Valdez. Could I have parties announced?
And Richard Garcia for the defense.
And are you Cassandra Valdez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Cassandra Luisa Valdez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 5618
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on March 7th, 2023 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 27th day of December 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Cassandra Luisa Valdez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
Guilty.
No, true or not true?
True.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 24th day of January 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Cassandra Luisa Valdez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? I'm sorry.
Not true.
Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Cassandra Luisa Valdez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February and March 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that?
True.
State will waive the remaining.
Did you understand by pleading true to 2 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find, revoke, and sentence you up to 5 years in the prison?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 2 and 4?
I'm being honest. Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find 2 and 4 true,
Yes.
and there's no agreement. Is that correct?
Judge, there is no agreement, but state would be recommending you grant state's motion to revoke and sentence to 5 years in prison.
Can I speak though?
Oh, just 1 second.
Okay.
Defense?
Your Honor, first of all, I apologize. I couldn't be here this morning. Cassandra's mother and daughter were here this morning and they wanted to testify, but they couldn't stay. They live out of town, and so they had to get back. And additionally, they were telling me that Cassandra has changed her whole life this last year. She's got a good job, and they were going to come ask for some leniency. In addition, Cassandra's asked me if she can address the court.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Cassandra Luisa Valdez.
All right. Is there anything you would like to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Every time I have stood in front of you, sorry.
She claimed she changed her life completely, said she left drugs behind and rebuilt her family. But the court had no proof, only her words, and her past violations told a different story.
Every time I have stood in front of you, I've been completely by myself. I've been dishonest. I've lied to you just to get out of here. These last 2 years, I have completely changed my life due to the fact that my mom and my daughter have been back in my life. I didn't have them for the last 7 years because I was on meth. I was shooting up meth every single day. I would steal from them the first chance I got. My family completely turned their backs on me because I stole from them. These last 2 years, she just turned 21. She called me mom for the first time in 7 years. She used to call me by my first name. She has been back in my life. I've completely got off drugs. I am a manager at a car wash that I'm actually in the process of helping purchase, which is Cosmics. And he wrote a statement for me too, my manager. It's off of Fredericksburg and Hebner.
Have that statement.
Okay, I know. My mom was here. She was waiting. My mom hadn't been in my life in 7 years. She's completely back in my life now. And I feel like I have more to lose now. But back then I didn't even care.
All right, so here's the thing. What you're telling me, I have no corroborating evidence of that. I only have you saying it.
Okay, I can get all of that. I don't know. I didn't even know I had court, honestly. I wasn't prepared. I got told, I think yesterday.
Let me ask you this. Did you complete parenting classes?
I did. Yes, I did. I completed. Yes.
All right, probation. What has she done? Did she complete parenting classes?
Judge, I don't have any indication that parents' classes were complete. The only thing that I see completed is GDRF.
She did 134 days in the BTRF.
Okay.
And that had parenting classes.
So here's the thing.
Yes, ma'am.
You've been on probation, and I'll allow anyone to ask questions.
Sorry, just, I forgot to mention that she did turn herself in.
Yeah.
All right, so any questions?
I was tired of running. I turned myself.
All right, so what I have before me is you've been on probation since March 7, 2023, and you really haven't done anything.
Yeah.
That's a problem. So I'm not going to continue you. So the court is finding 2 and 4 true. The court is going to revoke. The court, let me see. Was there any restitution in this case?
And
Restitution to SAPP of $57 French.
Has that been paid?
No, Judge.
There's to be restitution to SAPD for drug testing. That's $57.
Okay.
There's to be no residing with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Court will give you credit for any time served and credit for any time served for any successful inpatient treatment. Court will recommend the therapeutic community. There's to be no contact with the following persons: Charles Young, Michael Villanueva, Sandy, and that's Sandy with the Y, Gonzalez with the Z. And the court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are in community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you, okay?
Yeah. Thank you for your
Thank
time.
you.
You're welcome.
For more real courtroom breakdowns, subscribe now, because honesty too late won't save you. Your actions always catch up eventually, and this moment proves it clearly.